Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be going over how to make bracelets with any kind of beads and stretchy string and how to tie it so that they stay. I will be linking all my materials below, but most important, you're just going to need any kind of bead and the stretchy string. To measure how long you need it, I like to wrap it around my wrist and then add about an inch on either side, maybe even slightly less, and cut right there. That way I have room to tie the bracelet and add as many beads as I need. So then I also like to use a clip like this. Any type of clip will work as long as it closes all the way onto your string. And that's what I use to hold the beads in place before I actually tie the bracelet. Our next step is going to be to just string the bracelet with whatever beads and pattern that you'd like. And I'm going to fast forward this part because it really depends on what bead pattern you're doing, and you don't need me to tell you exactly what bead pattern to do for this. But once you get all of those strung up, then that is the time that you can take off the clip.
So now that I have all of the beads strung, I took that clip off, so I have these two ends of the string that I'm working with. I'm going to take these, I'm going to put an X shape, make an X shape. The one that's on the top is going to loop around, so I have this kind of shape going on right here. And then you don't want to pull that yet, you just want to take the ends of your string, your new ends, make an X. So the left side going over the right side, just like last time. Twist it underneath, and then twist it underneath again. And then you can take both of those ends and pull. And then pull pretty tight so that that knot makes itself. So something I'm going to do is I'm just going to do an extra knot just in case to keep it, hold it tight. And then I am going to put a little dab of super glue right there. Once that dries, you can cut off the sides of the string and then pull the knot into one of the bead holes. So I know this was a really short tutorial, but it's a pretty simple process, and I figure I don't need to drag this on longer than it takes. So you can see there's this knot right here. I'm gonna pull it into the middle of this bead right here. So you can see now you can't see the knot at all. The knot is completely hidden and your bracelet is done. So if you want to know what materials I'm using, I will link all of them in the description and underneath the video. And I hope you guys have a great day.